Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change tracking in Microsoft Edge. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your tracking in Microsoft Edge. So, the first thing you need to do is open up your Microsoft Edge. Once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, go down to Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be now located right here. And once you're here, click on Privacy and Search and Service. Once you're here, you will now see the tracking. So as you can see, to change it, you can choose which one that you want. You can either choose this. When this one is you are more likely to move or more freely to move when you're in other sites. Or if you want to choose the strict one, you are not allowed to move a lot in those sites and it will not work properly and it may block the sites if it sees it's very harmful. Or you can use balance. So when balance, you're using balance, it will also block but not all of them. So it will still allow you to go to the site even though it knows it is harmful. So yeah, that's how you change the tracking in your Microsoft Edge. And a little tip for you, you can also block trackers as you can see right here, there. And you can also clear the data from each one of them or you can just clear them one by one. So yeah, I hope you liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.